Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this top storage area, whatever you want to call it, in a Skoda Octavia 2 facelift from 2010. So this does not have any screws as far as I can see, hopefully I'm not wrong. So you just use prying tools to unclip it, but the problem with something like this, when it's the first time you do it, you don't know exactly where the clips are. So I must investigate all around where is the best spot to start prying, maybe even from the bottom. And found the magic spot. So from here it started to lift. Now I just need to do the same on the other side, and presumably we can pull it somehow. It doesn't really want to lift from there, only from bottom and sides. So I'm going to leave one tool in here to keep it. Hopefully my tool will not fall in while I also pry the other side. If I could actually do it. Really hard to do this and film at the same time. Don't fall in, don't fall in, don't fall in, and it didn't fall in. And this thingy is out, and obviously if you want to also remove the hazard button, there's the connector. And to put this whole thing back in place, you simply slide it in here and it will clip. But for me, I added that, so I must be a bit careful before clipping it in place to make sure the cable comes in straight. You basically slide this in towards the back so the hinges go under the rest of the dash, and now you can push it in place. I cannot really do it with... Oh, I could actually do it with one hand. And now my cable is also in position for the GPS antenna, and it's done. So hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.